Welcome to the tutorial on the new Satisfaction Alert Case Management module within the Survey Manager. We will go into the demonstration account here and go to the Survey module. And in the sidebar to the left of the Survey module, we will go to the Satisfaction Alert section. And here we see we have View Alerts and Create Alerts. Creating alerts is another online tutorial that we've previously recorded and is available within the resource directory on our website. But for today's purposes, we're going to be working within the View Report module, which we see here in the main body of the screen. Under the Alert column, you'll see underlined certain numbers. These numbers indicate the amount of alerts that have been triggered for these surveys. And to manage these alerts, we have added a whole new feature set that's available to this module. For example, if I click on the number of alerts, I then will see the alerts listed in this table below. Delivery type, this was sent by email versus SMS. The location, this happens to be an online survey versus a device survey. Otherwise, whatever device location, if it were a device survey, would be indicated in this column. The recipient, you can have more than one recipient. It will be listed here. And then the status, this is a new feature. You can have open, in progress, or resolved status. You can view the actual alert itself by clicking on the alert link. You can also see if there's been any action related to this. Each action item has a timestamp. So let's go to one that's in progress. So we do have on the 3rd, great conversation with the customer, item resolved. But let's say we want to, this shows in progress, we want to change this to resolved. We can click on the view magnifying glass icon and see the underlying details. So here we have status history, show alerts, view set actions. So let me just show you each of these very quickly. This is showing us when the status has changed. So on the 3rd at 7:25 p.m. it was in progress after it being triggered just a minute earlier. Why don't we go ahead and change that status from in progress to resolved. Confirm. And we can also always go and look at the original alert. So question 2, smile and eye contact, was very satisfied. Do you wish to leave any open-ended comments or recommendations? And the view set action, we can go ahead and add any comments. Item resolved by Morgan. Save action. And each time you set an action, there's a time and date associated with that so that you can track the progress as well in detail. What we see below is the actual questionnaire or survey details for this particular customer. So the item or the question that is highlighted in bold, smile and eye contact, is the actual question that triggered the alert originally, and the response column indicates how this particular individual customer responded to the corresponding questions. So courtesy and politeness was very satisfied, smile and eye contact, very satisfied, etc., etc. I'm going to click back to survey alerts. So again, to review how we accessed that underlying alert detail page was by clicking on the view or preview icon here, the magnifying icon, and you'll note now that the item is resolved. So this is the underlying, what we refer to as case management module we have added to the Satisfaction Alert feature. And also worth noting is we have added a URL link to the outgoing message, whether it's an SMS or email, where when you receive the alert, whoever is in charge of service recovery or the manager in charge of this location will have a link underneath the alert text where they can actually just click on that link and it will take them through, we call it a deep link, right into their account to this module itself. So if they wanted to go ahead and manage or change any settings or documenting notes that had to do with any interaction with the customer, that can all be done on the fly from within the same email alert that they receive. This concludes the video tour of the case management section of our Satisfaction Alert module. If you haven't already, I recommend you also take a look at the training video for creating satisfaction alerts, which is also available from the Resource Center on OpinionMeter.com or from the guided tours section within the Survey Manager's Help Desk. Thank you very much.